Hi everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our night single flat door today, and we'll show you guys what this thing does today. All right guys, so we're on our night door. I don't know how this design came along. I'm gonna be honest, I completely forgot. It's been a while we've had this, but we like it, we still stock it, and here it is. So this is a 42 by 96 inch door. Measures from outside of the frame to outside of the frame 42 inches. 96 inches is from the bottom of the threshold all the way to the top of the frame. This is an oil rub bronze door. Starts off as a black door and then we add bronze to it. This is rain glass being featured on this door. Obviously we make these doors in different colors. You can special order them, and you can also get it in different class if you like also, which doesn't add any other cost to it. This door does have a kick plate. These are all solid pickets that have been heated and banged and by an artisan and created this design. Kick plate has this design on it. On the other opposite side, on the interior side, we have the same design on this also. Pretty simple door, nice ornate. It's got some scroll work, it's got some clamps, it's got a little flower, it's got some bars. It's suitable for a lot of different people. Let me flip this around, show you guys the back side. All right, so we're on the back side of the night door. If you're wondering what that wood is for, these stands are starting to get a little old and bent out of shape, so we have to level the door out a little bit. But who cares about that? Greasable hinges, those little copper pieces on there are nipples or grease fittings. So you can use a grease gun and grease up the hinges. Over time, if it sounds like a dungeon door, it needs lubrication, that's how you do it. Or else the other option used to be by removing the door off the frame and then greasing it up, which was kind of ridiculous and people were scratching up their walls, so we decided to put a grease fitting on it. I keep thinking about how that idea came, and it was all about all the old cars and me being a mechanic in the past and how we used to lube chassis when a lot of people don't even know what that is anymore. But that's how the idea came along. We just drilled a hole and pulled a nipple on it. But anyways, we have roller catches, okay, on top and bottom that helps you with your locking system. It works with it to try to save your locking system as long as possible. If you use a cheapy lock, you probably want those. And also it makes it sound really, it feels a lot better when you actually have rollers and you can adjust them out. They're all pre-drilled, ready to go. Weather seal on the frame. Glass, twist the knob, flick it over, glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, clean the scroll work. Some people like to use it to vent. You can also add a screen on special order if you like, and you'll have a screen. This little piece right here is sloped down, so if your overhang doesn't cover enough and you get sideways rain on in a rainy day, then it'll just drain down and not sit there and cause problems. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our single flat night door today. And if you guys have any questions, leave some comments. Call us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com.